I'm making some curry. The kabocha squash is in the oven. So here's the curry. I don't have rice because I can't eat rice, but here we go. Limes, look at these candles, and then the sunset is really showing up for our little date night. So we just left Moulin Rouge, and it was so good, and I saw Justin crying a little bit. And I was too. Anyway, it's not that cold out, so we are walking towards Columbus Circle. So last night was amazing, and I got this coffee mug, tea mug, because I don't drink coffee, but I'm so excited to use this. Wow. Here we go. We're getting pizza. Hi, Justin. I have my lemonade, and we're in the train station. Dexter, it's snowing. Oh my gosh. I just woke up and I thought the shades were down because it looked really blurry. Look at the snow up there. And okay, snow. They were right. I thought it wasn't really good as snow. Wow. We are bundled up. Dexter, are you gonna go brave the snow? Yeah? He's ready. He's like, all right, let's go. He has a sweater on, his jacket. Okay, here we go. Me and Dex, we have matching coats. We got some pho. Yum. I'm making a snack. This is the appetizer. It's cucumber, garbanzo beans, feta cheese, tomatoes, and then I'm gonna put some olive oil and balsamic in each bowl, and some hummus and chips while I make the ravioli. See the Lion King. This is cute. And that is a wrap on the show. So we're at Krispy Kreme. Really love donuts. We are going out to dinner, and here's my outfit. I really love it. It's just this all brown, well, I'll show you. I'm doing this brown turtleneck. I got this Gucci scarf for Christmas. My Louis bag, the chain's supposed to be on the outside. I have these pants I've had forever, and then these like boots. I believe they're Aloha's. That was really good. I loved my meal. Another day, another show. We are gonna go see Wicked. I'm super excited. Here's my outfit, but I have on like these leather pants that I haven't worn in a while. I put on this like black silk cami that I have under this cardigan that I'm obsessed with. It has all these feathers, and I don't know, I was really feeling this feather all black look for Wicked. And then let's do like a little jewelry tour, because I'm super into the jewelry lately. I just feel like, I don't know, I'm always looking at my hands, you know, like that's what you see on you most of the time. And so I'm like, why not adorn it as much as I can? So I have on this permanent bracelet here. I got the day after my wedding, this hand like bracelet. I love that, it's so cute. I have this chain ring on my pinky, and then I have on these 3 rings that I love and wear all the time. My nails are stunning. I got them done like 2 weeks ago maybe, but they still look really good, and I did chrome. And I've done chrome once before, and Justin was actually like, you should do chrome again. And look at that. It's just like, my nails look like jewelry. And the other hand, I love this ring. It really goes with that. Nails, new watch. And my outfit wouldn't be complete without this popcorn bag that Justin got me for Christmas. I'm obsessed with it. I've been wearing it to all my shows. It's just a really cute little addition, and it reminds me that I have free will to do whatever I want. And it's just like very simple, but you can wear a bag that looks like popcorn out as an adult. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Heading up. It's so packed in here. I think because of the movie, and it's a big play. We're at our seats. It's gonna start soon. We're going into Robert. Wow, look at my dessert. This looks like stained glass. And yum, and yum. Stop, this is so cute. We're out on our walk with Dexter. Somebody made this and a bunch of dogs peed there. I think Dexter enjoys being outside.
Stay. Oh
Make him beg again.
Beg again. Beg. Dexter. Oh. Beg. Beg. Good boy. Stay. Come.
Oh my god. Did you teach it to do that?
Dexter's first time in Central Park. We walked up to 110. We got some chais and a coffee and we're just gonna explore. You guys look so cute. Dexter just got groomed. Look at how cute he looks. The groomer said that he is their favorite client. And to bring him back soon. Got a little haircut. My little boy. So I just went to Bar Pistolino. I've been seeing it all over TikTok and I finally went and it was really good. This has to be the most narrow store. That is so cute. France's Tavern. Oh my god, I just love old things. And this is the oldest bar and restaurant in Manhattan.
What do you mean?
Hamilton! I love that.
They sung that song here.
There's the gang. We're going over to a different bar. We just went to the Dead Rabbit. Glad we went to the Dead Rabbit because the last time we went there it was so loud. First time I'd ever been there, it was amazing. And yeah, the second time I was like, wow, this place isn't what I thought it was. But it redeemed itself. We're in a grocery store. This is cute. This bar was cute. I kind of do want candy. Wait, should we get candy? It's a really cute little speakeasy with these guys. And I got candy. Oh, look at all the snow they're walking. Oh no! Okay, we are going out and braving the negative 14 degrees or whatever it is. I have on leggings, some leather pants, a lot of sweaters. And yeah, I'm gonna wear 2 sets of gloves. I tightened this finally, so my hood will stay on. Let's go have dinner. I forget where we're going, but I'll let you know later. So this is all like Biggie themed. Our food. Look at all this snow. We're in Morningside Park. See all that ice? Let's zoom in. That's crazy. There's so much. Going to get my nails done. Valentine's Day is in a few days and I was feeling like getting some crazy nail art. The set, or like the nails that I had on before this, were all chrome silver, like this middle one, and it was perfect. And I just felt like my hands looked like jewelry, especially when I wear all my rings. So for this one, we did a pink French, and then she put on this little plastic pink star. And then this one is Giving Butterfly, and it's like a pink white chrome. This is a silver chrome with a white star. I love how that one came out. And then a white nail with black polka dots. And then the last one is just a plain French. So these are the nails. I'm obsessed with them. They came out so cute. Yum! I'm making some tacos. I really love tacos because I feel like you can make something that's like pretty fresh and yummy also. Hey, dinner is all ready. Let me give you a tour. I bought guacamole. That's the green sauce I made. It's cilantro, Parmesan cheese, mayo, lime, and garlic, some radishes and lime, some roasted corn, my sweet potato with like the extra chili mix, and some peppers. And yeah, let's dig in. Okay, this is like a crazy part of Brooklyn. And this weird intersection we're at. Going to the show. need to stop. Here. Oh no, where'd you go? Oh, he doesn't want to go. It's just a box, baby.
That's where you live now.
I love pranking him. Come on, come here, come here, come here. I'm kidding. It's Valentine's Day. Look what Justin did all while I slept peacefully. Got us a croissant, some chai from our favorite spot. Got some chocolates. And look how beautiful these are. So sweet. Pink, orange, red. He's adorable. First of all, my other Valentine came to sit next to me in the sun. Look at these chocolates. They look so pretty. Wow, I can't wait to dig in. Let's do it. Dexter to see the sunset with us. Ah, Dexter, this is what's over the wall. I look so crazy. I have to fix my hair. Whew. We're leaving the slipper room. We saw a burlesque show. It was so good. And now we're getting dessert. Yay. I'm gonna get churros. I'm so excited. This is a cute little spot. Look at the sushi we ordered. We're staying in because we went out like 4 nights in a row. Got some, ooh, where's the shrimp? Anyway, some tempura shrimp with this udon and some sushi. Yum. Hey, dinner's all ready. Look at this, it looks so good. Can't wait to dig in. This is so healthy. Basically just a miso broth, a bunch of veggies, udon noodles, and then Justin wanted some rice. And I got these like seaweed things so we can just like put them there, pick it up, eat it. Yum. Look at my flowers. Gorgeous. And the city. Oh my God, who is that?